broccoli salad. That's what we're making today. I have 1 stalk of broccoli chopped. To my broccoli, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. This is cheddar. And I'm going to add 1/2 cup of raisins. And I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm going to mix my dressing. I need a cup of mayonnaise. Half a cup of very finely diced onion. Got 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of pecans, chopped pecans, and 6 pieces of bacon that's been chopped. And a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And we just want to mix this all together. And if it's too thick, you can add some milk. I think we're okay. Oh, we may add a little bit of milk, thin it out. I probably should have mixed the sugar and the mayonnaise first with the vinegar, then added the rest. I'm going to use buttermilk, just about a tablespoon. And we just want to pour this over the broccoli and the cheese and the raisins. Give it a good toss. And once I get this tossed, I'm going to put it in a bowl, another bowl, and put it in the refrigerator and let everything mingle and marry and get along with one another. And I will be eating it then. Now, you didn't have to put any of the stalks in. Most people just use the crowns when they make broccoli salad, but I don't mind a little bit of stalks. I figure they're good for you. All right, well, I will see you at lunchtime. Here it is. Doesn't that look good? Let's give it a try. I love this. That's delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.